In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow location in Chrome step by step, so websites like Google Maps, delivery apps, weather sites, and local search tools can access your location properly. Whether Chrome is blocking location on one specific site or you want to turn it on globally, I'll walk you through both methods in a simple and fast way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful browser tips and software guides. Let's get into it. First, let's look at the fastest method, which is allowing location for a specific website. Open Chrome and go to the website that needs your location, like Google Maps or any other site that asks to use your location. Once the site loads, look at the far left side of the address bar. You'll see either a lock icon or a site settings icon, sometimes shown as sliders or a tune symbol. Click that icon to open the Site Permissions menu. In the drop-down menu, look for Location. If it's currently blocked or set to Ask, click it and change it to Allow. This gives that website permission to access your location in Chrome. After you make that change, refresh the page so the new setting takes effect. In many cases, that's all you need. The site should now be able to detect your location and load the correct local results. Now, if you want Chrome to handle location requests more broadly, or if you want to change your default permission settings, use the global method. Start by clicking the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and click Privacy and Security. Then select Site Settings. This section controls what websites can do in Chrome, including access to your camera, microphone, notifications, and location. Under the Proficiency section, click Location. Here, you'll see your location settings for Chrome. If you want websites to be able to request your location, choose the option that says Sites can ask for your location. This is usually the best setting if you want control, because websites will still ask before using your location instead of being blocked automatically. If location has been blocked completely, this setting can fix it for future sites. And if a site is still not working after this change, go back and check the specific site permissions again, because individual website settings can override the global default. That's an important detail many people miss. Also, make sure your computer's own location services are turned on, because Chrome can only use what your device allows. If your operating system has location disabled, Chrome may still fail to detect your position even if the browser permission is set correctly. So if the site still can't find you, check your device settings as well. To recap, the quickest way to allow location in Chrome is to open the website, click the site settings icon, set location to allow, and refresh the page. If you want to manage it more permanently, go to Chrome Settings, open Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, then Location, and choose Sites can ask for your location. That gives you better control over how websites access your location. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.